Hello everyone, I'm Sohra from myself, and today I want to show you how you can convert Windows Media Colors or brush to System Drawing Color. Usually in Windows presentation foundation, you use the colors from System Windows Media and brush from System Windows Media, but in WinForm application, you use System Drawing Color, and sometimes in developing application you need to convert these colors together. If you need this, you should add this class to your project. This class, you can add easily this class to your project, and then you can use some methods here to convert these colors. I use 4-line codes to convert them, and now I want to start the project and show the result to you. This is conversion. All of the conversion is down. This is red color. Okay, I will put the link of these codes and these codes in the description of the video. You can have it, and also the project. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to get more video about